You're back in college after 1 year. What you did in lockdown?
Good morning, sir. Sir, in lockdown, I stayed mostly at home. I was doing. So 1 minute. Sir.
Are you suffering from the same problem? Do you forget words while speaking English with someone? Do you look words, exact words, while having communication with someone? Then this video is specially made for you. Because in this video, I will tell you one strategy, one remedy for this problem. Maybe you are one of those persons who keep on saying that whenever I start speaking English, words don't come to my mind. Then watch this video till the end. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you. हाय दोस्तों, दिस इज राघव अरोड़ा। सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ लर्न इंग्लिश विद राघव पे। आज की इस वीडियो में समझेंगे जब कभी भी हम किसी से बात करते हैं इंग्लिश में या कम्युनिकेट करते हैं इंग्लिश में, क्या होता है, वर्ड्स डोंट कम टू आवर माइंड। कभी कभार वर्ड्स अटक जाते हैं, मन में नहीं आते, यार क्या इस बात में कौन सा सही वर्ड होना चाहिए जो मैं बोलूँ तो मेरी बात का एक अच्छा इम्पैक्ट पड़े जो मेरे लिसनर पर। आज यही समझेंगे कि वर्ड्स क्यों अटक जाते हैं और क्या करना चाहिए कि आगे से कभी वर्ड्स अटके ही ना। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले तो ये समझिए कि आप में से किसी के रिश्तेदार होंगे फॉरेन में रहते हुए, या आपने देखा होगा कि जब फॉरेन में, कनाडा में, यूएस में जब कोई बच्चा जन्म लेता है, वो बच्चा धीरे धीरे बड़ा होता है, तो आप देखेंगे कि उस बच्चे की भाषा को, कि वो बस 3 से 4 साल की उम्र में ही इतनी बेस्ट परफेक्ट इंग्लिश बोलनी स्टार्ट कर देता है, इतनी फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश। कैसे? क्या उसने कोई अलग से कोई ट्रेनिंग ली? क्या कोई टीचर आता था उस बच्चे को सिखाने? नहीं, फिर भी ही स्पीकिंग वेरी 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 फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश। हाउ? बिकॉज द क्वालिटी इंग्लिश कॉन्टेंट ही इज कंज्यूमिंग जस्ट एट द एज ऑफ 2 or 3 years old। आप समझते हैं कैसे कि वो छोटा सा बच्चा इतना इंग्लिश कंटेंट कैसे कंज्यूम कर पा रहा है? सबसे पहला कारण है उसका एनवायरनमेंट। हिज पेरेंट्स आर कम्युनिकेटिंग जस्ट इन इंग्लिश। द कंटेंट ही इज कंज्यूमिंग व्हाइल वाचिंग कार्टून्स और एनी काइंड ऑफ मूवीज are also in English. Whatever he is doing, actually each and everything is in English around himself or herself. That's why the content of English is just fed in his mind regularly, continuously, perennially. That's why he has become so much perfect in English language. So the basic reason why we stuck in English, why words don't come to our mind, the basic answer to this question is because we are not consuming the English content. What we are consuming? We are watching Bhojpuri movies, we are watching Hindi movies, we are watching English movies but with the captions. Have you ever seen any English movies without any captions? Your answer must be no, because you have never. That is why you stuck in English. That is why words don't come to your mind. Now the actual question is, how can you improve this? There was a philosopher who once said that the types of books you read today, the types of movies you watch today will define which type of person you will be after some years. The same thing is this. Again, another philosopher said, you are the average of 5 persons you interact with the most. It means you must focus on your content. You must focus on your consumable content which you are going to consume today, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, because that defines your communication skills. So here are some tips that will actually trigger you to work towards yourself, towards your personality. So let's understand what are those tips. So the first tip is, try to consume English content. Read some good books, some novels, some best books that have a range of vocabulary words. Now, the basic thing is, we don't have that range of vocabulary. That's why we stuck in words. My answer is it is totally wrong, because the communication just defines the clarity of your thoughts. If you have a proper clarity upon your thoughts, then nobody can challenge you in your communication. Then you are the master of your communication if you have clarity in your thoughts. So try to clear your thoughts. How can you clear your thoughts? Just by observing the things around you, just by observing your grandfather, just by observing your father, how they are cracking a deal in this business, how they are doing this, how they are convincing their customer in their business. This is something that you must observe. This is the basis of your communication skills. So words don't come to your mind. For this, you must follow some channels. For example, in Instagram, don't follow memes channel, follow English learning channel. You can follow my channel Learn English with Raghav on Instagram for best English content. Otherwise, you can watch movies, but without captions. This is the basic thing that you must learn. Without captions, you must watch English movies. It's just about today's video. Thank you very much.